This is my first time that the okay.
What can you say to your fans?
Well, nothing.
And I'm the photographer again. It's me, Dan's John. And this is my team. Bitch. How are you feeling?
Okay.
You're tired?
No.
This is our makeup artist. Hi, bitch.
I.
How do you feel tonight?
It's gonna be amazing.
What's your name?
LilyShane.
LilyShane. What can you say about your fans around the Philippines?
Oh, it's so amazing talaga. Na-vlog ko.
Okay, one of my tips on become a great photographer is that I always talk to my model, and I will talk to him later, and you will learn how I connect with him to produce a good photo.
Well, tanaw lang mo guys, and then maybe pag subscribe mo kung sorry. That's
Pila na kakatuig nag-model?
from now 1 year.
1
Is
year?
it right?
Okay. When is your first photo shoot ever?
Well,
Kanas
na-
ka nagsugod nga mag-photoshoot ka as a model?
ambot lang pero well, char na wa na vlog. Wala ko'y katubog.
So based on what I can see on the outfit, so it's it's a freaky bohemian look, and the top of it is like it's a messy bun, which is we actually use what they call this one. It's at the bottom of the pants that I cut off. Yeah, and I think that's all for today. I think she did best. She did best.
What?
She did best.
What can you say about what you have done to her outfit today?
Based
About-
on what I can see, it's actually suits to her. It suits to her. Do you feel like having a hard time to take photos and make models?
For me, if you love your work, you will not get tired of or gonna find hard of it, because if you love what you're doing, it's actually you can do everything with it. So do it with love.
Do you have any ideas you can share to the audience or the viewers how to take good shots or good photos to the model?
Okay, my best advice to photographers out there is that to do your best and to talk with the model, and it is very important to have a connection with the model because that's what matters most. A good angle or a good light is not important. The most important thing is that you have fun in doing it and your model is doing good and you will be doing good as well.
And by the way, last question. Are you prefer to shot with a petite a petite model or a plus size model?
It doesn't matter if you're small or fat, as long as you're capable on showing yourself to the world and you're not going to pahiya me to the world, because it's my work and my work is gonna rock the world. In this photo shoot, I want you to think that you're the queen of all queens. Can you do that for me?
Well, go.
I need you to show that confidence in me in the photo shoot. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Hello, Didi.